Hello Junior 4, how are you? Hope you all are fine. In this video, we will learn about the nervous system. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Senses work together with the nervous system to gather, what the meaning of gather, to collect information from the environment. So, all senses work together with the nervous system. Let's learn about nervous system in mammals. But first, what the meaning of mammals? Mammals such as humans, elephants, and dogs. Mammals, they give birth. Unlike birds, they lay eggs, but mammals give birth. Let's study the nervous system of mammals. It consists of brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Consists of brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Let's start with the brain. It connected to the spinal cord. It's the main control center in the body. So the brain, it's the main control center of the body. Second, the spinal cord consists of many nerves that are collected together. So spinal cord is a big nerve, consists of many nerves that are collected together and run through the backbone. So spinal cord run through the backbone. It is branched into smaller and smaller nerves. What is the function of spinal cord? It carries messages from the brain to the body parts and vice versa. What the meaning of vice versa? The opposite is right. That means it carries message from the brain to the body and from the body to the brain. Third, let's talk about nerves. Nerves are distributed throughout the body. Nerves are found in each part in our bodies and connect the sense organs with the brain. So nerves connect sense organs with the brain. What's the function of nerves? They carry messages from brain to the spinal cord and other parts of the body and vice versa. What the meaning of vice versa? That means nerves carries messages from the brain to the spinal cord and from the spinal cord to the brain. And there are some nerves are connected directly to the brain. There are some nerves connected directly to the brain. Like what? Like nerves in eyes and nerves of heart. So nerves of eyes and nerves of heart connected directly to the brain. The nerves transmit information from the sensory organs. Sensory organs like what? Nose, ears, eyes, tongue, and skin. So nerves transmit information from sensory organs to the brain. There are some nerves are found in sensory organs. They are called sensory receptors. So the nerves that's found in sensory organs, which are nose, ears, eyes, tongue, and skin, they are called sensory receptors. So what the meaning of sensory receptors? They are nerves found in sensory organs that are responsible for receiving information from the environment. One more time, what the meaning of sensory receptors? They are nerves found in sensory organs that are responsible for receiving information from the environment. So when we see sensory organs, we are talking about sensory receptors. So when he say nervous and sensory organs, we will say sensory receptors. Now we will learn how structural adaptations and the nervous system work together to help the jerboa survive. Let's talk about jumping jerboa. The Egyptian jerboa is a desert rodent. What the meaning of rodent? Rodent is a type of animals like mammals, like reptiles, like amphibians. So jerboa is a rodent. What the meaning of rodent? Animals like rabbit, like hamster, like mouse. So all of these are rodents. It lives in desert. So Egyptian jerboa is a desert rodent. And it's nocturnal animal. It searches for food at night. Let's talk about adaptations in jerboa. First, it has large and sensitive ears. Give reason for jerboa has large and sensitive ears. To detect even a quiet snake. To hear even quiet snake. And this is behavioral adaptation or structural adaptation. Ears, it's part of its body, so it's a structural adaptation. Let's talk about its legs. Jerboa has long hind legs that enable it to jump a long distance. So give reason for jerboa has long hind legs to jump long distance. To jump long distance. What about the type of adaptation? It's behavioral adaptation or structural adaptation. Legs are part in its body, so it's structural adaptation. Let's talk about another adaptation, which is feet and toes have hair. Give reason for its feet and toes have hairs. To help it grip, or we can say catch, to help it catch the sand when it hops and jumps. To help it catch the sand when it hops and jumps. What about the type of adaptation? Structural or behavioral? Hairs in toes and feet. It's a part in its body, so it's a structural adaptation. The last one, it hops in zigzag pattern. It hops in zigzag pattern, so it can escape quickly from danger. So give reason for jerboa can hop in zigzag pattern. The answer is to escape quickly from danger. What about the type of adaptation? It's a structural adaptation or behavioral adaptation? It can hop, so it acts or behaviors in it, so it's behavioral adaptation. The jerboa has sharp sense of hearing and its strong legs for jumping work together with its nervous system to help it survive and escape or run from the danger. So jerboa has sharp sense of hearing and long hind legs to help it to escape from danger. The whole response process of the jerboa running away from danger occurs in less than 1 second. So it can run away from the danger in less than 1 second. This time is called reaction time. This time is called reaction time. So what's the meaning of reaction time? It's the time taken by the body of a living organism to respond and react to different information from the environment. Like what? Like danger. So one more time, reaction time it's the time taken by the body to respond and react different information in the environment. So the reaction time of Egyptian jerboa is less than 1 second. Some messages called reflexes. What the meaning of reflexes? They are so fast movement that you can't realize it. Such as what? Such as moving your hand away when touching very hot cup of tea, or when you touch the spines of cactus. So some messages are called reflexes. They are so fast that you can't realize. So what the meaning of reflexes? They are so fast that you can't realize it, such as moving your hand away when you touching a very hot cup of tea. Other messages are sent from and to the brain automatically. What the meaning of automatically? Without our control. Without our control. So some messages are sent from and to the brain automatically. Like what? Like signal to breathe. Like signal to breathe. That's all about our lesson today. Thank you and see you soon in another video. Let me know if you have any questions.